Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a DIY do-it-yourself half wig, and I'm using the organic hair. All the details will be like the products I used will be listed down below, and then I'm just measuring the width, so the tracks, so it will lay down correctly. And I'm using this glue, 30-second glue. I don't remember the name. I will put it in the description box, and then some clips for so the wig will not move, even though it's not moving. But hey, I wanted to add some extra stuff. So now, yeah, I'm using the glue I'm measuring now, and then I glue down the tracks. And this is really self-explanatory, like it's really easy. And the side note, I tried to do this hairstyle like this, a quick weave, and I failed so hard. And I was so desperate, I was so down. Last week I was like, oh my god, I paid $40 for this hair, and it did not come right. So I have this idea to do a half wave with that, and to do my hairstyle also, which is the half up, half down. And I have some ways for you to style your half up, half down with this half wig hairstyle. And to glue the tracks down, I just flip over the tracks so I will not waste like time cutting the hair and then glue the hair down. So sometimes I do that to save me time. And the first track I glued down were like, the middle length, and I just fixed that after when I realized. So you want to use the longest length at the bottom, the middle will be the medium length, and the at the top will be the shortest length, which is I use the length like 18, 16, and then I forgot the other length, the hair. Now when you glue the tracks down, you want, because this glue especially is like 30-second glue, so you want to use a blow dry to blow dry the hair. No, yeah, to blow dry the hair with things that I'm using. And I'll dry it at the lowest heat, and then I dry it at the highest heat. I'm switching the heat, so it will dry like quicker because I don't have time. Sometimes I put it at cold. Sometimes I put it like at the really the highest heat, so it can uh, it can be done really quick. And one thing I wanted to mention is that I follow for the hair to lay down really flat, so you will not see the tracks. I just glue the tracks like in a U shape. Like, I don't go straight across while gluing the hair down. I just glue it like in a smiley uh, type of shape until I reach the hand of the cap. And if you want for the half up half down, what I did, I just this is a wig cap from China, and I just put it in my head, and then trace a line with like a white eyeliner, so I will know where to stop to glue the tracks down. So I cut the front part of the hair, but I didn't cut too close from where the tracks are. So I leave a little bit of space, and then I fold the track, the cap over the little part I leave. I just flip it over, and then I start sewing the cap through my hair, and then basic threading with the so some thread and needle. I just sew the cap so we wish secure, and then secure for the whole week, because me, I'm not doing hair for the bun, the half up half down. For this, you want to hide your little bun, and you want to hide the the edges of the half wig was just made, that you can see clearly, that you see the tracks, you see where the half wig ends and where I sew the half wig. So we're going to cover this up with some tracks, and like now you see me adding some tracks just so to cover that part. And when I'm doing that, I will just continue to add some tracks to form my bun, and to do like multiple hairstyle with that. So, and then I think I'll use like I have like a little bit left after that. It wasn't too much, but I used like a lot of hair. First, I was going to like to use like a little hair, no thin layer of hair, but I wanted to cover that top part. So you need to use like a lot, but not too much. And yes, I use hairspray for my hair, not only for the little hair I'm going to wrap it around the bun, but also for my leave out, for the half up. That my For my hair, I use a co-stylus gel, and then the gorilla's nuts, the yellow one, to stick down my hair. I have some other tutorial about it. And then I just set it with like something to set your hair with, like when you're going to sleep. And then for I just use hairspray. You will see me using that later in the video. I use hairspray. Why? Because it will last a little bit longer, and then it will like look like straight hair, like it would not curl up. I mean, it will curl up, but it will stay the same till you wash your hair. And this is like a must. And I use two kind of hairspray, because I love hairspray. I use the got to be glue, got to be one, and then I use the Tresemme, my favorite one, because I wanted to. So yeah, you don't have to do that. And now you see me using a lot of bobby pins. I use a lot of bobby pins for hairstyle like this. You want to secure your hair to the max. And there's some hairstyle you can do with your half down, to the side, basic half up, half down, and then a bun one, a top knot. So that's it. This style is really simple. I mean, it took me like 2 hours or 3 hours. I don't remember, but it wasn't a big deal. Unlike the first time I tried to do a quick weave, but I was messing it up. My glue was missing, was messed up. So you know don't give up when you try hairstyle and it doesn't work. Just try again and you will eventually come to a fabulous like result. That's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social, Annick Rosie. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment your thoughts about the video, the hairstyle, and I will see you in my next one. Subscribe. Bye.